Tonight. Do you want some turkey? Do you want some turkey? Give you some turkey? Do you want turkey? Turkey meat? Are you hungry? Do you want your turkey meat? Would you like your supper? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Stop running around and smile for the camera. You want turkey meat? You want turkey meat? You want turkey meat?
That's a 6-footer.
All right.
7-footer, I believe, is 50-50. So that's inside that. So he's got a 60% chance. So I'm going to lose that bet.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Oh, Ming's hungry. You hungry? You hungry?